Shark finning is the practice of hunting sharks to only profit off their fins. The leftover carcass is tossed overboard for its lack of value in the market. However, this practice has caused severe drops in shark species populations. This is caused by a lack of enforcement on shark and fishing and finning regulations. Many threatened species of sharks are still used for their fins. So what is the meaning for all this excitement about shark fins? The answer to that is shark fin soup. There's chicken broth and shark fin. Shark fin provides no nutrition or flavor to the soup. The soup is eaten to show wealth and status of an individual. So that's what they do to the fins. What do they do with the rest of the shark? Well, in those fisheries, when a shark is caught, they cut the side of its neck to weaken it and make it easier to handle. Then they use a knife to cut off all of the creature's fins. During this process, the shark is most often still alive and thrown back into the ocean. These sharks have no hope or chance of survival. Without fins, sharks cannot swim. Sharks need to swim in order to breathe. These poor creatures, after having their limbs chopped off, are thrown back into the ocean to either drown, bleed out, be eaten by other fish while still alive, or all of the above. If sharks disappear from our oceans, then the ocean's food webs will be drastically altered. Without sharks, fish species will become overpopulated. The increased population of fish species will strain their habitats resources needed for them to survive. So much so that they will have to outcompete one another and other species that rely on the same resources to thrive. This may cause resources to become used up, which will then cause mass extinctions among species that will end up affecting our whole oceans and eventually us humans. It's time we start fishing responsibly.